Pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. I'm glad that you guys can join us this morning. Hey guys, good morning. We just finished our members only pre-market show where we go over my off-stream trades and also where we talk about my account and have an account overview of what's happening. And yeah, and we have a great time there, and all of the pandas there are super supportive of what's happening on the stream. Sorry guys, I'm a little sick today, as you guys can probably hear from my voice, but yeah, definitely I'm pretty sure I got the flu rona. I got something bad, and I was really I was out last night and had everything: cold sweats, body aches, everything, the whole works. I had some like super strand of the corona, and yeah, I'm still recovering from that, getting a little bit better. Hopefully yesterday was the worst of it, but we shall see. My pandas. Hope everyone's doing amazing. As you guys are rolling in, welcome to the stream. Glad that you guys can join us. Yeah, I started off, had a bad trade this morning, and this was a bit silly, but I was basically, I was trying to get back to the bottom of this trading range, and I had a swing trade set up, and it just stopped me out. I had my stop loss one tick above here, and it stopped me out, and yeah, unfortunately, so had a loser right there, but it's all good, pandas. We're gonna try to re-enter here this downtrend. If this trap fails, we're gonna try to go down to the bottom of this trading range on the 10K chart. But what I don't like is this exhaustive push down here and coming back above the 20 MA on the 10K chart. It's exhaustive push down, and then, typically the trend ends with these exhaustive moves and it comes back up. So I don't know, pandas. Also, I have the 2000 tick chart, and we're balancing off the 240 SMA. It's unsure what to make of this right now. But I think the 10K chart, I'm okay with taking this trade here, and probably swing majority of it to the bottom of the trading range. But we shall see, pandas. Gary Burke says take zinc. I'll do that. I'll do that. Pandas, my pandas. Hope you guys are doing amazing. My screen capture is a little choppy right now. My face is just like, not sure what's going on, but very choppy. Very choppy. Maybe because interesting. Okay. Huh. Okay, interesting. Never seen that before. Sorry, pandas. I'm wondering why my face is so choppy. I see. Very interesting here. Depends on what the focus is. Weird. Well, sorry, pandas. You're gonna have like a choppy head today. We'll see. This exhaustive move down, maybe that last push before we reverse here. But I'm just gonna trade this trap here. This is an L4 setup on the 10K chart, and we have a trap, potential trap here, and I'm just gonna attach this to the indicator at this point. And as long as it's a trap, I'm gonna keep it there And I do that just in case it moves. Yeah, if you look at my head, it's a little choppy. You know, it's a little laggy. It's kind of stuttering, but it's all good, pandas. Sorry about today if I'm a little low energy. I'm still recovering from this cold, and but hey, we're gonna stream today. We're gonna get our bamboo. By the way, if you're just joining, if you look in the top right of your screen, you can see what time frame I'm on, and also bottom left of your screen, you can see my daily P&L. Could push up here. If we lose this trap, no longer interested. Yeah, I don't know why it's laggy. I'm actually trying to switch over. I was using Streamlabs, and I'm trying to switch over to OBS, but we'll see. I mean, this is I don't like this jitteriness. But if I focus on the actual like face rig, then it's smooth. But when I switch over to my trading window, it gets choppy again. Not good. I'm about to lose our trap here. We're breaking out of this triangle, as you can see. There's a triangle here. And we keep making new highs here. Higher lows. Kind of making higher highs now. I really thought we can come back to the bottom of the trading range at least one more time. But yeah, my $800 losses, I took a trade here, and I tried to swing it down to the bottom, but it ends up stopping me out right here. Unfortunately. Very unfortunate. Market's about to open in about 7 minutes, and that's probably where we're going to finally get some movement here. We're coming to a 240 SMA multiple times, bouncing off of it. Let's see if we break through it this time. It's just this exhaustive move. Reversal here, and the reversal here. We got this triangle in play, just waiting for it to resolve. My face is laggy like my immune system. Perhaps. Hopefully my immune system is up to par. Alexo Do just became a panda. Alexo Do. Thanks for your support. Thanks for becoming a panda. Enjoy your green name. Enjoy your two-legged pullback badge as it forms over time. Enjoy your panda emoticons. And enjoy access to the pre-market show. Scalps as has anyone here passed the Apex evaluation? I hope so. I think a lot of people have passed evaluations, at least from our Discord. Doesn't even come up to the 240 SMA this time. 5 minutes to market open. Still in this trap, still in Trap City on the 10K chart. Thinking come back to the bottom of this trading range on the 10K chart. Let's see here. could be wrong again. I could take a big hit here. But for me, I want to swing this one. I want to swing this trade down here.
$10,000 trap.
That alert right there was a 10K trap alert. By the way, if you have the two-legged pullback deluxe, I posted, or not even the deluxe, if you just have the two-legged pullback indicator, which is what you see on the screen here. So we trade only one single setup, the two-legged pullback, and this is an indicator that identifies all of them for us automatically. And if you have it, if you want those sound bites where it says the specific time frame, there is a download in the free download section on the website at www.twoleggedpullback.com. So if you want those sound bites, go ahead and go to the website and you can download them for free. There's one for the 10K chart, and there's one for the 5-minute, and also one for the 2K chart. Trap's about to trigger on the 10K chart right here. I'm gonna swing this down to the bottom of this trading range. Let's try to get 4 points on our main position here, and yeah, I mean, I'm just trying to get to the bottom of the trading range on the 10K chart. Still here. I'd like 4 points on my main position, and then maybe I'll run the rest here. I could technically have scalped out already, but with a big risk like this, I want a little bit more. Let's try to get 4 points off this, and you could technically bring this down here now and try to protect some profits, right? Just protect your initial capital, but I'm just gonna let it run and just swing it. Completely okay with either way of this trade, just because the risk reward is good. But let's try to get another push down here. I mean, strong bear bar ending near its low. No reason for me to think this is gonna reverse right here, in my opinion. I'm just gonna hold this trade until we get our main position out. We're trying to get 4 points here on the main position, if we can get it. Okay, just scalp that out. This market's moving like crazy right now. Got my 4 points on that, and looks like I'm gonna get stopped out here on my runner. Let's see if this runner can go. Let's see how far. Oh, just got stopped on my runner, and the market's kind of going crazy right now. But just got 4 points right there. So down 237 now. Let's go, baby. Easy peasy, easy money. 1, 2, 3, 4.
10,000 ticks.
Just hit that 4 points just perfectly. I may be interested in this trap. I mean, I'm just looking at 10K chart. This is like moving so fast. The 10K chart's actually not bad. What do we have in a 2K chart? Finally does end up coming back to the bottom of the trading range, which is what I wanted over here, but it's all good. Bottom of trading range, back to the top of the trading range here. Failed breakdown of this triangle. It might lead to a failed breakout. And then typically when that happens, we go back down. If we have a failed breakout now here, typically it comes back down. But how would I manage this trade differently? I think I would trade smaller. I shouldn't have traded in the bottom. Wow. Maybe I shouldn't have traded in the bottom half. I just thought we can get that last push down. It was up here when we finally get the push down, huh? Interesting. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. I believe the coupon is still valid for Apex if you guys are interested in the risk-free trading that we're doing on this stream. So if you guys don't know, I'm trading 100% risk-free. Like, I'm not risking any of my own capital here. This is with Apex funding. And so if you pass the evaluation with Apex, you can get a funded account. And right now we're trading a $300,000 funded account. And we're trading absolutely risk-free. So, man, I really don't like this. I really don't like this head. It's very choppy, very laggy. Don't like it. I'm gonna have to switch back to Streamlabs. Get another push down here, but they can get back to the bottom of trading range on a 10K chart. Let's see what our 5 minutes is giving us right now. 5 minutes almost hitting the 240 SMA. Canadian futures extended to March 31st. Is it the same code, save 50? So I'm going to put that pinned message back if that's the case. March 31st. Wow. Really, really giving you guys coupon.
$10,000 tick second entry.
Bottom of the trading range to the top of the trading range. Missed it by 1 tick. Missed the top of the trading range by 1 tick here. Looks like it's about to fill now. Hit the top of the trading range. 240 SMA. Bottom of the trading range to the top of the trading range. Now breaking above the trading range. Very interesting here. 4 pushes down on the 10K chart. I don't know. Do I want to keep trading this trading range? Do I want to come back down? I don't know. I feel like it's going to reverse, like go up now. Hard to say. Strong buying pressure. 1, 2, 3 bull bars. Strong bull bars as well. Price action is telling me we could have a successful breakout here. Breaking above the 240 SMA now. Clearly. Big gaps now. Sorry, I'm looking up for this coupon. Could someone confirm that coupon being extended. I need a source. I need a source. I can't just give you guys the information without 100% confirming it. Someone send me the source for that. I don't feel comfortable posting it unless I can confirm. Breaking up now, right? This is not what's supposed to happen at the top of the trading range. Exhaustive move down, pushing up. Let's look at the daily real quick. Who knows what can happen here at the daily? Absolutely amazing, because the daily has a trading range, a huge trading range. Small trading range turns to a huge trading range. This is a really big trading range. That's incredible. I mean, the obvious thing is we're coming to the bottom of the trading range, but I'm not sure when or how. Just watching, no entries here. Thinking of going long, but for the URL, can you just like put spaces for the dots or parentheses around the dots, Jeff J? Thank you. Oh, there's a can 50. I want my own code. I want pan 50. I want panda 50. Give me that BBM 50. This looks like an exclusive code. I want my own code. What's happening here? Jeff J, it's a lo-fi radio. If you look in the description, there's a link to it. Ooh, my head's a little smoother. It's just weird. I don't know why. Sometimes it's smooth, sometimes it's stuttery. We are rocking and rolling right now, pandas. We are surely in an uptrend. And we're chilling. No entries though. Absolutely incredible in this move right now. Get to my trend line and I'll go long. Alamin, good morning, guys. I think the code is can50. I'm gonna ask Apex for my own code. Richard Harris says, drip honey on your bamboo. Yeah, I mean, they show the tongue, but it's like they made it like, hey guys, we really need to capture tongues. Like, they spend time, energy to track tongues, and yeah, I mean, I guess it's nice. Just watching this. No setups for me yet. I could take a first entry here, but I'm gonna sit on my pause. Getting choppy now. I'll take a two-legged pullback off of the 20 MA. I'll take that. Yeah, I mean, I'm sick too. Yeah, I got the flu rona. That was pretty rough. I'm not gonna lie. I had like chills. I had body aches. I was like shivering but sweating at the same time. Like I was hot and cold. My body was very confused, and I was very confused on how to regulate my body temp. Just like, what do I do? I'm cold, but I'm hot. Nasir Rahimi, what do you do your full-time job? I work in IT. Just watching. Not much here for me personally. Just watching this. Finding some support off the 20 MA. No setups for me, unfortunately. No two-legged pullback. Market's saying we don't have any two-legged pullback discounts for you today. We're just gonna first entries just blast off. Late Snow asks, did you write the code for the tool? Yes, I did. Yeah. I think honey is probably the best thing for me. 1 second. Let's put some cough drops in. Pandas, what is the best cough drop? What is your favorite cough drop? Wayne Big No asks, what in IT developer? Gary Burke says, are you a programmer, Panda? Me too. Have written lots of trade station indicators. Only about 5% are useful. Hey, at least 5% are useful.
10,000 tick second entry. 10,000 tick second entry.
Oh man, that's not good. Oh, interesting. Trap fails like that on the 10K chart. It's bad news. Right, break a trend to new high. Would like a nice reversal here, but the 10K, when you have a failed trap like that, it's bad news. Oh, never mind. I had to refresh my indicator. That something was weird. Okay, I was gonna say I would have thought about taking a trap right there, but might break a trend, the new high. We have this like uptrend, but today's market cycle may be a two-legged pullback. I'm looking for to go short here. Main reason we're under the 20 EMA. Made a new high, broke under the 20 EMA. If we make a nice two-legged pullback here, A, B, C, looking to go short. But if we break this low here, this pivot low, we lose our two-legged pullback. We lose our second pullback, so we broke beneath it. The count resets. We don't have a two-legged pullback. We're just getting terrible no entries here, right? Some people consider that as a failed trap or a good trap here. I like to take technical traps where I know there are trap traders with magenta boxes. I need that magenta box. You guys are eating Jolly right? You guys are not giving me good answers. Yo, Steve Wayne or Ricola. That's exactly what I'm eating right now. I'm using Ricola. Branjos, my favorite cough drop is whiskey. Does whiskey, you know, I was thinking about it. Does whiskey actually help with like sore throats or any like high like liquor? Because if you think about it, people tell you to like gargle salt when you have a sore throat. But you know, the idea is that salt should, you know, kill whatever bacteria is in your throat. So I'm thinking, well, if that's the case, then shouldn't alcohol do the exact same thing? I don't know. Just a theory. Brandy is best for sore throats. I don't know if you're trolling or if you're for real, but I'll believe it. Big push down, right? That was like a reversal setup. Unfortunately, it wasn't a magenta box. I would have taken that. A lot of you guys like the Halls Max Strength. Hot toddies, I think you call them. Huh. So hey, if I drink a little whiskey, it's because I'm trying to get better. I'm just trying to get better. Wow, what a strong push down. Isn't that remarkable? 10K chart, still trading range is intact here. And we're coming back into our trading range. Are we gonna come back down to the bottom of it now? We had a failed breakout. And even though it came this high, still was in the range. I'll show you the range right now. The breakout for the trading range indicator is way up here. Actually taps it perfectly and reverses. Absolutely amazing. Reversing now. Back into the bottom of the trading range. Absolutely incredible. No entries whatsoever, pandas, but this is serious downtrend. Like, I want to go short, but I have no entries. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 non-bull bars in a row. Wait. Oh, man. I mean, like, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 17 out of the last 19 bars are bear bars. I have no entries, pandas. I would like, you know, this is always in short right now, but Absolutely incredible. I mean, you're thinking bottom of the training range on the 10K chart. I mean, I'm taking this trap. If you have one, I'll take it. I'll take this trap. Small pullback. Trap's still there. Trap's gone. Two-legged pullback now. We're waiting for. Remember, we had a triangle. Apex of the triangle. It's an important spot. Basically right in the middle of my 2K trading range. This is a first entry. I like a two-legged pullback. Pandas, my pandas. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Look at this bounce. Right back to the 20 EMA. Absolutely incredible. This is a two-legged pullback. It's hard to go short with a two-legged pullback that looks like this. Strong bull bars, right? Even this down leg is a bull bar. It turns to a bull bar. Hard to go short, I get actually with this. But pandas, I'm doing it. I'm go short. Move like this. You're thinking one more push down. One more push down. I'm gonna just scalp this one and have a runner if I can hit one. Strong move down like this. You're thinking one more leg down. Easy scalp. Oh boy. Oh boy. Can I please click? Runner. Not sure how far the runner's gonna go. We have a runner, pandas. We have a runner. We have a runner. Oh no. Oh no. Don't do that. No. Nah. All good, pandas. Pikachu trade. I love it. You're thinking at least one more push down after a strong move like this. Runner gets stopped out and then River makes this move. Man. Man, oh man, oh man. Man, our runner gets stopped out to the tick and reverses. It's the name of the game, pandas. It's the name of the game. Yeah, the 5 minute still in a big trading range. Big old trading range on the 5 minute. 10K still in a trading range. Coming to the bottom of the trading range now. 10K chart. The whole thing could have been a runner, pandas, but there's no other way I would have managed that. There's no other way I could have managed that. Stops me out, unfortunately. See what happens. This is break of trend to new low, right? And we're actually looking for an uptrend now. Right, I think today's market cycle is a trading range, but we're gonna have big legs in our trading range, right? But I don't think we're gonna stray too far away from yesterday's close. That's just my personal opinion. I feel like we're gonna have a pause bar here on the daily. And we're just gonna kind of oscillate between like in and out of yesterday's close. That's just my feeling. And typically what happens, looking for a reversal now actually. Not gonna take this one. Alright, I think we're gonna try to break this low here. Break the low. I feel like we're gonna be in this range on the 5-minute or the 10K. I think we're gonna be in this range the entire day, in my opinion. Like, I almost want to trade the 10K exclusively now. If you look at the 10K chart, it's simply a two-legged pullback, right? It's just A, B, C. The 10K chart is just a two-legged pullback. We can come back up. For me, on the 2K chart, I'm waiting for a reversal setup, which means I need a fail second entry short. I'm looking for something like this, right? Two legs up. This, instead of making a scalp, reverses, giving us a trap. Looking for that trap trade. We started negative 850 today, but we're already at negative 87, and yeah, making our bamboo back. Pandas, make sure you guys scalp that like button. We got 215 concurrent viewers, but 39 likes. Let's go, baby. Come on. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Strong push down. Strong downtrend. Look to the left of the chart. I may take a second entry here. I may go long here on a second entry long on the 10K. Only problem is the 20 EMA will probably be in the way by the time it triggers on the 2K chart. Apparently there's some news at 10 o'clock, which is soon. 10 seconds. Good idea. Good measure move. Good call on that measure move. Godric Tia. Good call on that measure move. Almost hit it.
10,000 tick second entry.
Wow. 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 Wasn't expecting that. Measure move almost hit. This whole thing could have been a runner, unfortunately. Got an H4 setup. I may take this H4 on the measure move. H4 setup. Need a decent signal bar now. Oh man, wow. I don't know what just happened. I'm like, my trade is like frozen. I'm not sure what's happening. What? What's happening? Get out! Oh man, I'm confused. What just happened? Um, hmm. That's not good. Pandas, not sure what just happened. My trade is stuck here. I don't want to get rid of it.
10,000 tick second entry.
What is happening? Oh man, how do I get rid of this? Pandas, one second. I gotta close my charts. I don't want that. I don't want this thing to like. Yeah. Be right back.
Ten thousand tick second entry.
Pandas, I'm not sure what happened, but I think I think it's fixed. I don't see the order anymore. I think it's
10,000
fixed.
tick second entry.
But wow, that measure move hit, and now we're just oscillating right now. Still haven't made our two-legged pullback on the 10K chart. Absolutely incredible. Disregarding that measure move now. Oh, pandas, boy, oh boy, we could have a strong bear trend day today again. When you disregard a measure move, something's happening. Go to your order style. Yeah, you know, you guys are giving great advice. Truly. Let's see here. Yeah, it was rejected and canceled, I believe. My rhythmic has no orders either. Strong bear trend day today. Uh-oh, I thought we were going to be in this trading range. This don't look good at all. Let me check my rhythmic. I'm pretty sure I have no orders here. I just don't want to end the day with an order open and then lose my account. If you have an order open at like 4:59 or something like that, then you lose your account automatically. Just want to make sure none of that shenanigans is happening here. Okay, yeah, it got rejected. That was crazy. Yep, this whole thing could be a runner. Got stopped out by one tick. Ah, this whole thing could have been a runner. It's all good, pandas. It's just like $1,000. That's it. It's just $1,000. Unfortunate. Just watching. I mean, technically there's a two-legged pullback here. Boy, oh boy. That's wild. We do have a two-legged pullback. It's a little far away from...
10,000 tick second entry.
I have to take this. Give me a better signal bar. Bye-bye. Never mind. Bye. That's not the price action you want to see when you want to go short. You're thinking trap trade here. Good signal bar, but trap trade. That's what you're looking for right now. Give her that trap, which I will be interested in taking this trap here. Just don't give me an outside bar reversal. I hate outside bar reversals, and it looks like it's an outside bar reversal. Skip. That's why I hate outside bar reversals. Look at that. This reverses immediately. How tricky is that though, pandas, right? You go short here, it stops you out and reverses. Market is vicious. Market is truly vicious. It does not care about your feelings. Ooh, the 10K chart had a nice little two-legged pullback. Should have gone long right there. Missed that one. Where's my alerts? Shouldn't that have alerted me? How come my alert didn't go off? Oh, I turned off my alert for the second entry. No. Wait, no, I didn't. Oh, I don't know. Thought the alert would go off. Maybe it did, I just didn't hear it. Panda, sorry for the low energy today. I was just recovering from the flu Rona. Lower high, second entry right here. I'll take a trap trade here actually to go long. Failed trap. I think I'll go long here, pandas. Nah, I need to get above the 20 MA. hard to go short here in my opinion. Is it hard to go short? Guess not. Scalps out. Push it strong. Jeez. Jeez. I thought from the 10K chart we might come back into the trading range, but doesn't look like it. Break a trend to new low with a two-legged pullback. This is probably where I'll look for a trap if I can get one. Oh, nice. All right, let's do it. Do appreciate that, Wayne Bicknell. Let's try to go long right there on that failed trap. Still want to go long here. Just wait for the trap up here. Or two-legged pullback going long. Failed trap.
10,000 tick second entry.
Yeah, I wanted to go long right there. It's all good. You know what that means. March 31st, eh? All right. Need a trap trade, but that's why I want to go long here, pandas. Yeah, failed trap after that new low. Coming back into our trading range on the 10K chart. I'm just missing all these setups, unfortunately. to take the trap trade here, but let's see if it'll trigger. When you disregard a measure move, you're still thinking more room to downside, but another outside bar reversal. I'm taking this one though. Let's go, baby. Pandas can dream. Ah, none of my runners. My runners aren't working. Just scalps me out. Runner gets stopped out. All good. Let's go, baby. Getting our bamboo. Back to green. Pandas, we were down 850 right in the beginning. Now we're up 75. Sticking to the plan. Stick to the plan, pandas. So what we got, 10K chart. This range is still playing out, and I thought it was gonna reverse here, but ends up reversing after one more push down. It only gets choppy when I'm focused on my charts here. Interesting. It's like 10:18. It feels like we've been trading for like an hour. Like it feels like 11 o'clock. I think my just being sick just makes things feel so much longer. Just watching, but we're getting good. We're getting some good movement. I'm just saying that right now. Hit the 20 MA, bounce off of it. I mean, if we're in a trading range, we'll come back up to the top. But in my opinion, breaking below yesterday's low, woo-wee, that's not good. That's not good news. Like, we could actually tumble down now. Strong push down. Got no setups though. Right, no setups. You can't take this second entry short. You're crazy if you do. No reason to take it. That is a second entry short though. Boris T says there's a delay. There's a natural delay on YouTube streaming. About 20 seconds. If you feel like it's more than 20 seconds, then make sure that live button is red, and also watching 2x speed. That should catch you up. Just looking at this chart, it's nothing right now. No setups for us. Do I want to go short or long, huh? I mean, first push up, first break of trend. Typically have a new high. Corsi Zakaria says, WTF was that bug on Ninja Trader? I'm not sure. The trade got, the order got rejected, and don't know what happened. I would have made a scalp too. It wasn't a pretty scalp. In fact, I wanted to enter up here, but pushing down, I'm still wondering, are we going to come back into this trading range? Or are we going to continue our downtrend? Hard for me to say.
10,000 tick second entry.
It looks bearish. It may make an outside bar reversal, which I'm not interested in, but it might. It does trigger an outside bar reversal. It bounces off. Hate outside bar reversals. Five-minute looks wonky. This is the 5-minute chart. What is this? Big wicks up here. Looks weird. Looks weird. I kind of wanted to go long there, but I'm just sitting on my pause. It's a two-legged pullback. It's a weird one. A, B, C, but that's a two-legged pullback. Good signal bar. The reason why is because I think we're still in an uptrend. That's why I want to take that. We had this big push up, and I thought we're still in an uptrend. Making one more push up here, trying to break this high. Right, on a higher time frame, that's just a two-legged pullback. Boom, boom. A, B, C. That's why we look for a new break of trend to new high, because that's just a two-legged pullback on a higher time frame. Pandas, my pandas. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Ooh, another push up here. Higher low, second entry, long. Nah. Ooh, higher low, second entry, long on the 2K chart. Outside bar reversal, not interested in that. So many outside bar reversals today. It looks bullish, right? The 20 EMA is starting to curl upwards. We're getting a nice little two-legged pullback. I will take this trap though. This trap's out, I'll take it. Nice push up, trying to break this high. Which is exactly what we're doing. Broke this high. The reason why I was hesitant is because 10K chart. We were on the 20 MA and I was hesitant on that because of that. But right, the higher low setup, curling 20 MA. Not a bad trade. Big push up. Very big push up. But what do we have here, pandas? Break a trend to new high. So we're actually looking for a downtrend now. $10K chart. I mean, I did say that I think we're going to be in this trading range today. I switched my positions a couple times, but it's just unsure. We look like we are trying to get back to the top of the trading range here. 10K chart. 5-minute chart as well. Oh, 5-minute chart broke. Let's be pushed down. Big moves up, big swings up and down today. Big push up. Missed the top of the trading range by like 1 point. Definitely can't go short here. Not on a big bull leg like that. Right, 10K chart, missed it by 1 point at the top of the trading range. Trading range indicator on the 10,000 tick charts, working beautifully. Can't go short here though. Be a bit reckless to do that. Especially with a super strong push up like this. You end up getting a scalp though. Very crazy. Two pushes down here. I mean, this is a second entry long setting up, but way above 20 EMA here. A little tricky. I think we are gonna make one more push up though. Micro double bottom. No setup. Typically, you look for a short around this time. But we're so far above the 20 EMA, hard to look for a short right now, in my opinion. Big push down. Almost want to go long here. This trade.
10,000 tick second entry.
Huh. Okay. Well, no longer interested in the long. Looking to go short now. For a trap trade, what we're looking for is a ABC trap down reversal. That's what we're looking for. Mainly because break of trend to new high, bouncing off the resistance here. Looking for a reversal setup. I'm gonna take this outside bar reversal. I really like the context here, so I'm taking it. Okay, the outside bar reversal will just be straight up, which is better for me, in my opinion. No setup right now. This is where you typically will find a reversal. Break a trend new high. Reversal. Bounces back. Let's go, baby. I couldn't even move my runner. I couldn't. Pandas. Pandas. I can't tell you how frustrating that is. I was trying to move my runner, but like the trade finished, and so the order broke up broke up into two orders, and I lost. Like I couldn't move it, and I couldn't even bring it to break even. So that winning trade ends up becoming a losing trade. Absolutely ridiculous. I hate that. I couldn't even move my runner. Scalped out, but couldn't move my runner. Pandas, it's so frustrating. Like I had my order selected, and then when it's scalped me out, it kind of breaks up into two orders because it's like, you know, 3 scalps, 1 runner, and you kind of lose control over it, and you can't move it, and so I got stuck, and it just took me out. Can I tell you how frustrating that is? still clearly above the 20 EMA. Yeah, the auto break even, I tried, it doesn't work. It doesn't work because it moves it right when it hits 4 ticks, and you might not actually get your fill, but your it will move your break even. It might move it prematurely. So the auto break even does not work, at least in the way I like it. You set the 5 ticks, then if you do get filled at 4 ticks, and then reverses, then that also will mess you up. So either way, it's not reliable, in my opinion. Or 6, or 7, or 8, 9, 10 ticks, 20 ticks.
$10,000 tick second entry.
Mrs. Panda dropping off some panda treats. Boy, oh boy. I love Mrs. Panda. Strong uptrend right now. But if the 10K trading range is true, then we need to start fading these breakouts. Terrible signal bar. Not interested in shorting that. Hopefully this trading range just stands and we just top to the bottom. With an L4 setup, I'll start fading this. L4 setup or trap trade. No setups. Actually interested in fading it here on the fourth push up. I want to fade this. Call me crazy. Back to the bottom of the trading range. I'm gonna try to get 4 points off of my. I'm trying to get 4 points. Trading 10K tick chart. Attaching this to the indicator. Once we break below here, we look for 4 points on my main position, and I'm trying to run the rest. Trying to fade this breakout. So upset about that last trade. What in the world was that? I wish Ninja Trader will let you, keep that order even when it completes. Like, it should just let you get the rest of it. Keep the rest of it to move around. It's a little frustrating. Top of the trading range. This is about the time where you start to fade it. 4 pushes up is enough for me to try to fade this at this point. To me, it seems pretty clear we're in this trading range. So I'm going to trade accordingly to that. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. We move on. Gonna look for 4 points here on my main position. And the reason why I want a lot of points is because the risk I'm taking is large. Big risk. Big risk on the 10K chart. I'm talking about big risk. We're talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points of risk. You need a little bit more than just a scalp here. If we can even get a scalp, that'd be nice. Well, 4 points on the main position here, and I would like to run the rest. The main reason is because we're in the top of the trading range, and you're thinking you're going back to the bottom of the trading range. 2K is about to trap out. I'm gonna double my position here and scalp this out. 2K is about to trap out. I don't want an outside bar reversal though. It's gonna get a trap on the 2K chart. Looks like it's in reverse here. No trap. Still in this 10K trade. Just watching. I mean, top of the trading range, 4 pushes up. You're thinking back to the bottom of the trading range. It is what it is. It seems weird, but this is how you have to trade it. If you lose it, you lose it. Move on, next trade. It's all good. I'm just gonna watch this play out. While I eat some breakfast. Big pain. All good. You gotta take that risk though. I could have scalped out obviously many times, but to make that trade worth it with that amount of risk you're taking, you have to take a swing. You have to take a more swing than just a point. So good, Pandas. We'll end the stream here. Pandas, pray for me. Hopefully I can get better tomorrow, but down 1,000 today, but all good. We'll make it back up. Hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Bye.
$10,000 tick second entry.